Did you know a poor farmer's son in rural India once mailed a stranger a notebook that shook the entire world of mathematics? Srinivasa Ramanujan had no formal training, no university, no mentor. Just notebooks filled with thousands of formulas so advanced that the greatest mathematicians alive couldn't verify them using any known method. He said they came to him in dreams, that his family goddess showed him the answers. When the renowned Cambridge mathematician G.H. Hardy received his letters, he had one thought. Either this man is the greatest genius alive, or it's an elaborate fraud. Every single result was correct. Ramanujan died at 32. He left behind nearly 4,000 discoveries. Many of them weren't proven until decades later, using mathematical tools that didn't even exist when he wrote them. So here is the question his life forces you to sit with. What if the deepest truths don't always come from thinking harder? What if the greatest breakthroughs require something quieter? Something you can only hear when you stop and listen?